Logarithms obey certain laws, and we're going to investigate some of those laws in this next section. The first law is that the log of a plus the log of b is equal to the log of a times b, and this applies for logarithms to any base. What's important is that each logarithm has to be to the same base. So we could have log to the base 10 of a plus log to the base 10 of b is log to the base 10 of ab, or log to the base 2 of a plus log to the base 2 of b is equal to log to the base 2 of ab. So the law applies provided each logarithm is to the same base. We have a second law, which is if you subtract the two logs, you get the log of a divided by b, and a third law, log a to the base n, is n log a. We're now going to consider in detail the first law. We know the definition of the logarithm. If a to the b is equal to c, this is an equivalent statement to log to the base a of c being equal to b. Suppose here that we let p be equal to a to the x and q be equal to a to the y. P times q will then be equal to a to the x times a to the y. And from index laws we know that pq is equal to a to the x plus y, since in this situation we add indices. This is an expression of the form a to the b equals c. Comparing the two, we can see that a is equivalent to a, x plus y is equivalent to b, and pq is equivalent to the c. So we can rewrite this in a logarithmic form. We'll get log to the base a of pq is equal to x plus y. We need to consider the x plus y. We know that p is equal to a to the x. That's of this form, so rewriting it in logarithmic form, log a to the p is equal to x. So we can write log a to the p instead of x. Doing the same for the y, and rewriting this in logarithmic form, log a of q is equal to y, so we can write log a of q instead of the y. If we look at this, it's the same as log law 1, except we have p and q instead of a and b. What we've done is derive the first law of logarithms. The second log law is derived in much the same way as the first log law. This can be worked through in precisely the same way. For the third log law, we use the first law repeatedly. So log of a plus log b is log ab, and this is the first law. If we let b be equal to a, we would get log a plus log a is equal to log of a times a, which is log of a squared. If we looked at log A plus log A plus log A, then log A plus log A we've established is log A squared, so we have log A plus log A squared. And using the first law again, this would give us log A cubed. If we look at this expression, this is saying 2 log A, since log A plus log A is 2 log A, is the same as log A squared. This expression is saying that 3 log A is log A cubed, and clearly we can generalize this to log law 3, where log A to the power n is equal to n times log A.